Hi, how are you? It's Ching, and we're gonna do another wonderful spine warm up, and also that can also release the tension of your spine from sitting too long, or riding too long, or running too long, right? So we're gonna give some spine release. So the beauty about your spine, there are three big sessions. There's actually four curves, right? So you have cervical vertebrae, which is your neck, right? Goes inward a little bit, and thoracic comes out a little bit, and the lumbar goes in a little bit, and your sacrum comes out, coccyx goes under. So what happened is we're connected, right? We're not like four different individual curves. So that four curves connect together, become a nice, beautiful wave. It's kind of nice, original, very organic design. So we can, right, move in the spine. Give you the idea, it's supposed to wave, okay? But our lifestyle have changed so much. So all the exercise also, we focus on cardio and with the arm and legs so much. So we tend not to pay attention to spine. But that's the most important part of your body. So we're gonna do this. Last week video, I did a spine warm up, the three essential warm up for the spine, waking up, standing. So you can do it sitting down too. Of course, I think I already uploaded some, you can do it on the floor. So we keep talking about, you can see this is May, beginning of May, and tomorrow is Mother's Day. And so I'm gonna keep the video very short because there's a lot of outdoor activities start, so I want you to be outdoor more often. So this is just a very short video from one single exercise, how to warm up your spine properly, correctly on the chair, okay, sitting, so nice and tall. You know already, I'm going to quick recap a little bit. When you're sitting on a chair, it's a hard chair, okay, your dining chair, anything, party, folding chair is good, okay. So now, the most important thing, we're gonna use the core muscle on your spine to do it on your torso. The front, we're gonna, six pack, right? So that's your rectus abdominis. You will hear me say 1, 2, 3, time 2 each side. That's your six pack. 4 and 5, they continue below the navel. You have 4 and 5. So you will hear me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the back muscle also is core muscle, so you have to be really strong because we rounded, right? You have front and back, we have to focus them. So we're pretty much using those muscles to make the spine, to articulate the 24 articulate vertebrae, each one, right? So the sacrum does not, you don't want them to move, they're fused together already, and the SI joint you need to protect. So how to protect your SI joint really comfortable so you don't have that, right? SI joint hurts, right? Because we're not thinking about our first responder, which is transverse down dog. Okay, we're gonna use the normal down dog breathing because if you don't understand all this, go to my website, check into the purposeful movement, and there's night focus, okay? Those are all the detail there for you. So today, I'm going right into what we need to do today. You ready? So nice and tall, engaged. So I have a beautiful neutral spine, neutral head, neutral scapula, and neutral rib cage, neutral pelvis, or like all neutral. So inhale, feel the lungs, back and side. I'm a gentle nodding my head on the exhale, softening the breastbone with a little sigh, and gently contract 1, 2, 3. That externally going to help. So that's your upper arrow, and the 4 and 5. The 5 goes all the way above your pubic bone. Okay, so you open your elbow, put your hands here. So you create a C curve flexing forward. So I'm done with 5. I'm going to extend, stick your tush out. I'm wake up the back muscle and slowly depress your scapula. Use the erector spiny group along the spine. I'm going to a beautiful extension, not exaggerated. We don't want to exaggerate. Inhale, so see that's exaggerated, that's your cervical. You want to keep it here. So front's open, inhale, stay here. Exhale, I release the weight of my head and shoulder down. It goes right to the tummy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's how well we're connected. I'm going to do 2 more times. Inhale. Feel the lungs again. Exhale, hollow your tummy. My first responder already watching all the muscles that's involved. and activate. Stick your tush out. Engage the first resounders so you don't go into the lower back. Push down a little bit. Help it. Nice extension. You really feel the nice strong thoracic spine. The back muscle. Inhale. I'm going to release the weight of my head and shoulder. It goes right to tummy. So you have this nice little undulation and right back up. One last time. Inhale. Exhale again. Gently articulate the spine. And tummy in and goes out. So waking up the body, right? Is actually better than the coffee in the morning. Drink your coffee, but don't forget your body release, right? You don't want to stimulate it from external stuff. Stimulate yourself gently through, right? Your nerve, right? Your muscles. Every part of your body start waking up from inside out from the spinal cord. Okay, we're going to reverse that. So let's try this first. I'm going to hold on to the chair. I'm going to slide the scapula down. I can feel the lower trap. I call it upper V. That will activate the erected spine. I extend the front. So with one action, you get equal opposite reaction. So you have to contract the back, thoracic, the muscle along the thoracic spine. I get the extension, that's me stretching. Okay? Do that one more time. Slide the scapula down with the lower trap, waking up the upper V. A little confusing, but you feel it. Just feel them. Okay, you ready? We're going to go forward and put my hands back here. So I'm keep that, adjust yourself. And keep that extension. I'm going forward. Remember, can you see this? We were here before. Same idea. As you release the weight of your hand, shoulder, tummy goes right in. It's so nice. Feel the feedback. We'll call it biofeedback. When you extend, do not extend the lower back. That's tight so much all day long already. So don't give it another terrible drop. Nod your head, hollow your tummy, come right back. So that extension, see my arm nicely follow through. Extend, support a little bit. Release the weight of your head and shoulder, hollow tummy. And you unroll, come back up. Okay, I'm going to put it together, forward and reverse that. Now we're done. Okay, so inhale. Exhale, nod chest, soften the chest, ribcage, hollow tummy. So we create a C curve, flexion forward, sticky tush out, wake up the back muscle. We're going to the reverse C, so extension. Release your head, shoulder, contract your down the right waist. Unroll, come back up. We're going to go right into the extension. So I'm flowing through my spine. Hollow your tummy and unroll, coming back up. Let me do that one more time. And roll down because it feels so good. And going down, shoulders down, tush out, extend the thoracic spine. You should first respond to protect your little back and release the weight of your head. And you're coming back. Goes right, tall, and extend. So flex the hip, drop your head and shoulder, contract your abdominal again. Each vertebrae slowly, so the energy in the front goes up. The energy goes back, goes down. So equally, right? Nice flow. Our body designed to do flow movement. It's not designed to do robotic all the time. Sometimes you can, right? It's kind of fun dancing like a robot. But don't do that all day long because we are not. So we're going to appreciate, has lots of gratitude with your body, and it's the one body you have. So that's it. Go outside, enjoy some outdoor activities, and make sure you warm up first. And maybe at the end of the day, you say, oh, I run so much, I went hike. Do it again. Release the spine so you can have a good night's sleep. Okay? Take good care. Thank you. See you next week. Thank you.